Hey guys, welcome to Phone Browser, and today I go to the Xiaomi offline store and I bring you the Redmi K80, and this is the first time the Redmi use the new logo. But also this time the Redmi to bring you the top performance, best price smartphone in the market. First time check the appearance, it's a bit similar to for the back panel, a bit similar to the CV series, but for the dimension weight, it's very similar to the Redmi K70. The lens 160, width 74, and thickness 8.1, and weight 206. And also this time they use the third generation Snapdragon 8 mobile processor and the octa-core processor, maximum 3.3 GHz. And also the screen is 6.67 inch. 2.4K display resolution, 32K display resolution, and very narrow bezel straight screen. Cameras, front one 20 megapixel, lens A1 50 megapixel, OIS the megapixel wide angle. And it supports the Xiaomi on-developed Shadow Hunter 800 high dynamic. So this time to use the 3D ultrasonic screen sensor. Also they use the big battery, 6550 mAh battery with 90 watt fast charging. And if we compare the battery with Redmi K80 Pro, the 6500 is 500 more than the 6000 K80 Pro, and the weight is just 206. It's also 6 grams lighter, and the thickness 8.12. It's also thin than the 80 Pro 8.39, so this is much lighter and slim than the Pro edition. So it gives a big battery and thin and sleek design, but also the 80 Pro get high camera specification and charging speed is reached to 120 watt, and also support wireless 50 watt wireless charging. And also it used the gaming GPU D1, and also the telephoto camera 5 times zoom performance, OIS supported, and G1 camera for the 50 megapixel long lens camera. And now we can do the camera test and check the quality of the camera. Dimension is used the 50 megapixel main one, 8 megapixel wide angle, and 20 megapixel front camera. So yes, this is the Redmi K80, very cost-effective products from Xiaomi, Redmi. Also for this time for the camera, they provide 4 colors: white, black, purple, and a little green. And personally, I really like the straight screen phones. And now also for the normal phones, it supports 2.5 meter IP68, and the price is really cost effective, just around $300. And we can compare it with the Redmi K70. You can find the difference between these two devices. Yes, so here's the difference we can find. Screen, camera, unlock, method, connection. Yes, size and weight. Size and weight, I think you cannot tell the difference, but for the camera, for the battery, it's totally different. And also the new design. Yes, this is the Redmi K80. Okay, let's check it from different angles. Shining back panel, into special material frame, camera, circle camera zoom. The back panel divided into 2 parts: pure color one, and the bottom, the part is shining, also shining with texture. Two colors, white and purple, a little purple one. So you can choose the one you like. And also the
0 and 8.
This is the difference between the Redmi K80 and 80 Pro. Almost same. No big difference from the appearance. And then next, let's enjoy some pictures. Okay, this is a very quick hands-on video about the device, the Redmi K80, and that's the 10 waiting for more. Catch you from here. Bye bye.